Unlock a world of creative possibilities and protect your privacy with the power of Blur in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into how to apply blur effects to your videos. Whether you're aiming for a stylistic touch or need to hide important details, let's get started. First, open your CapCut project and select the video clip you want to edit on the timeline. Next, locate and tap the Effects button, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will open up a variety of visual effects for you to explore. Within the Effects menu, tap on Video Effects. You'll see many different categories. Find and select the Blur category. Now you have access to several blur options for general blurring. Gaussian blur is a popular choice if you need to pixelate specific areas. Mosaic is excellent. Tap on the blur effect you wish to use. Once you tap on an effect, it will be applied to your entire video clip. You'll see a preview of the blur immediately. To adjust the duration and placement of the blur, tap on the effect clip that appears above your main video on the timeline. You can drag the handles on either side to shorten or lengthen its presence in your video. Now let's customize the blur intensity and style. Tap the adjustment icon, often represented by a slider or 3 circles here. You can control the level of blur, and in some effects, you might find options like speed or style. Want to blur only a specific part of your video? Select your blur effect, then look for the mask option. Tap on it and choose a shape like circle or rectangle. Drag and resize the mask to cover the exact area you want to blur. You can even adjust feathering to make the blur blend more smoothly with the rest of your video. Once you're happy with your blur effect, simply tap the Export button to save your enhanced video. And there you have it. You've successfully applied blur effects in CapCut, opening up new avenues for storytelling and privacy. Happy editing.